Welcome back to SCQ 2022. You are watching the second match in round 3. The scores are Wolmer's boys ahead on 7 points, Cornwall College on 2. You'll have noticed Wolmer's boys picked up 2 points. The answer they gave to the very first question, the infotech question, 2 parts of a basic URL are the protocol and the domain. What is the third part? The answer given address was accepted by the judges. And then when Cornwall failed to answer in time and the maths question was passed to Wolmer's, the answer that they gave upon review of the tape was actually correct. So they've picked up 2 points as we head into the speed challenge. In the speed challenge, teams can answer as many questions as possible during 3 separate 60-second periods. Cornwall College, it's time for your first minute. In the Bible, who buried Abraham in the cave at Machpelah when he died?
Ishmael.
Incomplete. Ishmael and Isaac. To what order in the animal kingdom do camels and giraffes belong?
Marsupiala. Next.
Artiodactyla form an adjective from apology.
Apologetic.
That's right. Who is the Prime Minister of Ethiopia?
Ethiopia. That's Abiy Ahmed.
Good. Which Asian country is known as the land of blue sky?
Blue sky. Mongolia.
That's right. In which U.S. state is the Yellowstone National Park?
Arizona.
Wyoming. What is the name for a sequence of musical notes in either descending or ascending order?
Pass.
Scale. What is the name for a formula that describes the exact number and type of atoms in a single molecule of a compound?
Formula. You have nothing?
All right. Electron configuration.
Molecular formula. What is the full expansion of 2x minus 4 into x plus 3?
You have that?
And you won't have time. 2x squared plus 2x minus 12. Well done, Cornwall, for your first minute. Soon come Wolmer's boys, coming over to you now for your first minute. In the Bible, which of Laban's daughters was described as tender-eyed? Laban.
Leah.
That's right. To what order in the animal kingdom do bats belong?
Chiroptera.
Chiroptera form a noun from eligible.
Eligibility.
That's right. Who is the Prime Minister of Bangladesh?
Sheikh Hasina.
That's right. Which African country is known as the Kingdom in the Sky?
Kingdom in the sky. Come go with Senegal.
Lesotho. Mount Pinatubo is an active stratovolcano in the Zambales Mountains in which country?
Philippines. Good work.
Correct. What is the name for a bowing technique for string instruments in which the bow bounces lightly upon the string?
Arco.
Sorry?
Arco.
Spiccato. What is the name for a formula that indicates not only the number of atoms but also their arrangement in space?
Structural formula.
That's correct. What is the full expansion of 3x minus 4 into x plus 3?
So this is 3x squared minus 5x minus 12.
3x squared plus 5x minus 12. Who is the lead actress in the movie The Lost Daughter? And we won't have time. That was Olivia Colman. Well done, gentlemen, for your first minute. Cornwall, coming over to you now for your second minute.
Come on, up.
Who is the lead actor in the movie The Power of the Dog?
Benedict Cumberbatch.
Good. Who founded the Democratic Labour Party in Barbados in 1955?
Barbados.
Errol Barrow.
Good, that's right. Which English Premier League football team plays home games at Carrow Road?
This one.
Pass.
Norwich City.
Calm.
What is the unit of pressure exactly equal to 100,000 pascals?
Bar.
That's right. What is the English translation for Todos los caminos llevan a Roma?
All roads lead to Rome.
Good. Who wrote the novel In Search of Our Mother's Gardens?
Pass.
Alice Walker. What is the name of the square where the Savannah Lamar Courthouse in Westmoreland, Jamaica is located?
Background.
Norman Square in the Bible. Who was the father of the men known as the Sons of Thunder?
Zebedee.
That's right. To what genus do tigers and lions belong?
Panthers.
Panthera. Which 5-letter adjective starting with I means having or showing no skill?
Indolent.
Inept. Who is the acting chief? And we won't have time. Well done, gentlemen, for your second minute. Wolmer's boys, coming over to you now for your second minute. Which son of Grantley Adams became the second Prime Minister of Barbados?
Patrick Adams.
Tom Adams. Which English football team plays home games at the KC Stadium?
KC. Pass.
Hull City. What is the name for a body which absorbs all incident radiation and reflects none?
Black body.
Sorry?
Black body.
That's right. What is the English translation for No se hizo la miel para la boca del asno?
No look a gift horse in the mouth.
Honey wasn't made for the mouth of a donkey. Who is the author of the novel Astonishing the Gods?
You know? I love this.
Ben Okri. What was the name of the Custos of St. Thomas who was killed at the time of the Morant Bay Rebellion?
Pass.
Baron von Kettelholt. In the Bible, which three siblings in the town of Bethany were friends of Jesus?
Friends of Jesus. So Mary, Martha, and Lazarus.
Good. To what genus do cougars belong?
Cougars. Panthera.
Puma. Which five-letter adjective starting with T describes an overused remark or idea?
What is no one? Truce.
Trite. Who is the president of the Jamaica Civil Service Association?
Service. Come go with. Patrick Adams.
O'Neill Grant is that gentleman. Well done, Wolmers, for your second minute. Gentlemen of Cornwall, coming over to you now for your third and final minute here in the Speed Challenge.
Ready.
What is the name of NASA's newest rover that landed on Mars on February 18, 2021?
Pass.
Perseverance. In which country is the Gulf of Naples in Campania?
Naples.
You have that?
Campania.
Italy.
Italy.
That's right. What is the name for a male singing voice between baritone and countertenor?
Falsetto.
Tenor. What is the empirical formula for dichlorine hexoxide?
CL2.
O6.
O6.
ClO3 empirical formula. What is the area of a triangle with a height of 14 centimeters and a base of 5 centimeters?
Sometimes 5. 35 centimeters squared.
Good. Who is the lead actress in the movie Being the Ricardos?
Nicole Kidman.
That's right.
Good.
Who was elected president of the Dominican Republic in 1962?
Rafael Trujillo.
Juan Bosch.
Next.
Roberto Baggio was a football legend for which country?
Spain.
Italy. What is the maximum generating capacity of the Wigton wind farm in Jamaica?
Pass.
38.7 megawatts. What is the English equivalent for the Spanish La Piel?
The skin.
That's right. Who wrote the novel There Was a Country? And we won't have time for your answer to that. That was Chinua Achebe. Well done, gentlemen, for your third and final minute. Wolmer's boys, coming back over to you now for your third and final minute. What is the hottest planet in our solar system?
Venus.
That's right. In which U.S. state is the Mauna Loa volcano?
Mauna Loa.
Hawaii.
That's right. A trill is a musical ornament consisting of the rapid sounding of how many notes in quick
Three.
succession? 2. What is the empirical formula for hydrogen peroxide?
Hydrogen peroxide.
HO.
That's right. What is the area of a square with a perimeter of 7.6 centimeters?
So that is 1.8. No man. 1.9. So this is 3.61 centimeters squared.
Good. Who is the lead actress in the movie The Eyes of Tammy Faye?
Sandra Bullock.
Jessica Chastain. Which dictator in the Dominican Republic
Rafael
was
Trujillo.
assassinated? Correct. In 1961. Ferenc Puskas was a football great for which country?
Russia.
Hungary. Which is the highest electricity transmission voltage used in Jamaica?
220 volts.
138,000 volts. What is the English equivalent for the Spanish El Cuerpo?
The body.
That's right. Who wrote the novel To Have and Have Not?
Ernest Hemingway.
That's right. Morgan's Valley, named after the famed buccaneer Henry Morgan, is located in which Jamaican parish? Clarendon. Well done for your third and final minute. That is the end of the Speed Challenge for this evening. Scores in the match. Wolmer's boys are on 21 points. Cornwall College not far behind on 14. When we come back, it'll be time for the exciting Buzzer Challenge, which will decide our winners. Stay with us. The second match in round 3 of TVJ's Schools Challenge Quiz returns right after this.